Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Round Robin. Today we have a great job opportunity in Amazon. In this video I will discuss two jobs notification. So please watch this video till the end. Freshers are eligible, final year students are eligible, pass out batch are also eligible. Both jobs are in Amazon. Talking to first job, that is Tech Ops Associate SMT, and the job location for this job is Bangalore. So I will tell you in one line what is Tech Ops Associate. Tech Ops Associate will write configuration to extract data. So talking to job description, Tech Ops Associate will write configuration to extract data, organize them in defined format, and flow this data to create data set for SM that will be utilized by category team across Amazon. So Tech Ops is also a part of IT development team, that is a software development team. It is not a job like business associative or like technical support or any phone support, call support job. It's a IT job. So you will be a part of technical team, and your part is not coding, but your part is like troubleshooting is your main part, and like testing and maintenance. And yes, this is the main part. You will write configuration to extract data, and also will also utilize and leverage tools developed by SM Tech teams, and will test new deployment, provide feedback from user acceptance testing, and adopt new tools developed by Tech teams. So and associate will essential for executive feasibility, setting timeline for data extraction and delivering the data commitment timelines with high accuracy. So this is very good job those who are looking forward career in Amazon. I will tell you the roles and responsibilities. So you have understanding basic knowledge with Linux, and should be basic knowledge in XML, Linux command, SQL queries needed to execute the task successfully. So you have basic knowledge in XML, HTML, Linux command. So you are okay with this job. So ability to monitor and escalate in case of hardware or software issue. So and yeah, so this is all the responsibility we get. And the basic qualification is engineering from good school, 0 to 3 years of work experience. So this, so if you are fresher you can apply. If you have working of 1 to 3 years of any experience, so it shows that from batch 2018 to 2021 all are eligible to apply for this job. So what you have to do: troubleshooting ability and basic Linux, basic SQL command, basic knowledge. Yeah, so we will talk this. So if you are computer science person, then you already know these things. This is a basic thing in computer science, and all branches are eligible for this job. So all engineering student, all branches are eligible for this job. So if you are not a computer science student, then you just apply for this job and you can learn these things in a week. So these things are you can easily learn in a week: basic Linux and basic SQL command and basic HTML, XML. And if you are okay with communication skills, and yeah, you have some knowledge of MX Office, the tools used in MX Office. So this job is very good for those who are looking career in Amazon, and also those who are looking job opportunity. And the package will not described by Amazon, but I will tell you idea, it should be 4 to 5 lakh, between 4 to 5 lakh. Yeah, the job location is Bangalore. And so I will put description, I will put link in description, so you go through that link and you can apply easily. Thank you. And so moving toward our next job. Yeah, so our next job is also in Amazon, and the job is software development engineer intern. So this job is not a full-time job. This job is for internship intern, and this job is only for freshers and only for a college going student. So in this job you will get internship full time, 40 hours a week, means you have 5 days working in a week for 8 hours for 8 consecutive weeks. So you have only 2 months of internship, and the start date between April and May 2021. And you have also this Amazon will also take care of your university academic framework. So if you have any exams or any mid-sem, then he will consider that. And talking about key job responsibility, so you have you can read this. I put the description. I put this link in description. So I will tell you the basic qualification. So you have currently enrolled in bachelor, master degree in computer science, computer engineering, or related to field at time of application. So you are also a part of information science, information technology, then you can also apply. And you have a basic knowledge of any of language like C, C++, Java and Python. Just basic syntax if you know, then you can easily get a internship call. So you apply. This is a very good opportunity. And also knowledge of fundamentals such as object oriented design, algorithm design, data structure, problem solving, and complexity analysis. So complexity analysis, like you have a basic knowledge, not a depth knowledge. So preferred qualification, previous technical internship. If you have a previous technical internship, then that is preferred, not essential. And experience with distributed multi-tiered system, algorithm and relational database. If you know these things, then it will help to it will help to your selection in selection. So yeah, so please apply, those who are in doing engineering in computer science and IT. So this is a very good internship for you, and it will make a good career, good future. So if you have a internship from anywhere, then it helps to in your campus placement, and also help to find a job. If you have already done internship, then also a good chance in future to career in Amazon. So if you are doing already a internship from Amazon, in future you have a good career in Amazon as a full-time job. So yeah, thank you. I will give all both two jobs link in description, and please share this video to your friend also, and so they can also apply. So this is a very big opportunity, because the both jobs are in Amazon, and Amazon is a very good company, all you know already. So yeah, thank you, all the best.